In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the tax rate in Xero. Managing your business's finances efficiently is crucial, and part of this involves ensuring that you're using the correct tax rates within your accounting software. Xero, a highly popular cloud-based accounting software, makes it relatively straightforward to adjust your tax rate settings to comply with local tax laws and regulations. Let's start with the basics. First things first, you need to navigate to the Xero website. Once there, look for the login button, which you should find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you for your email address and password. These are the credentials you chose when you initially set up your Xero account. Carefully type them in, ensuring accuracy, as these details are case sensitive and must match precisely. After you've entered your login information, go ahead and click on the login button. This will take you to the dashboard of your Xero account, where all the magic happens. Xero has been designed with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for you to find your way around, even if you're new to the platform. Now, to the task at hand, setting your tax rate. Look for the Accounting tab in your dashboard. It's your gateway to many of Xero's advanced features, including the one we're interested in today. Clicking on Accounting will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Advanced. This is where Xero houses settings for more complex functions, which include managing tax rates. Upon clicking on Advanced, you'll be presented with various settings. Here, look for the option labelled Tax Rates and click on it. This will take you to a section where you can view any existing tax rates you've set up in the past. It's a good idea to familiarise yourself with this area, as depending on your business's needs, you may need to revisit it from time to time. Next, navigate to the Your Tax Profile section. This is where you can view and modify the tax rates that are currently applied to your business transactions. It's crucial that you ensure these rates are up to date and in line with any local governmental changes to tax rates. The last thing you want is to find yourself unintentionally out of compliance. Within the Your Tax Profile section, you'll find the option to adjust your tax rate. This might involve adding a new rate or modifying an existing one. The key here is accuracy. You'll need to ensure that the tax rate you're entering matches the current rate as defined by your local tax authority. This often requires a bit of homework on your part to ensure that the rates you're using are correct. After you've entered or adjusted your tax rate to the correct figure, the next step is simple but essential: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will apply the changes you've made, effectively updating your tax settings. A notable tip is to regularly check for updates on tax rates from your local tax authority. Tax rates can and do change, and staying ahead of these changes is critical to ensuring that your business remains compliant. This proactive approach can save you a considerable amount of time and potential headaches down the line. Remember, managing your business's financial aspects with diligence and accuracy is foundational to long-term success. Tools like Xero are built to make this task easier, but they require a bit of effort on your part to ensure they're set up correctly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to set your tax rate in Xero. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking to update your tax settings, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keeping your tax rates accurate within your accounting software not only ensures compliance, but also streamlines your financial processes, leaving you more time to focus on what you do best, running your business.